Hi, my name is Jahangir Mia. My student ID is 8369211. This is my lab view code for the autonomous robot or self-moving robot. This is the front panel diagram. As you can see, we have two sensors here which is the same, left IR and right IR, and this is the ambient light sensor. Since these two are two different sensors, they have two different ranges, as you can see here. And as this is a self-moving robot, it has no buttons. The whole idea is for this robot to be moving using light. So this is the code itself. It's very simple and basic, so I'm just going to run through it quickly. At the top here, where I'm circling, is for the wheels. So the top is for the left wheel, and the bottom is for the right wheel. These are the limitations for the wheel which it runs in. So when it's true, when the value, the duty cycle is at 0.6, it will be true, and the duty cycle is at 0.1, it will be false. And the way the pulse width modulation works is by using a duty cycle, and then using the values from the duty cycle, moving it to the digital output, which moves the wheels, and the same goes for the right wheel. The bottom here is for the IR sensor. This is the left IR sensor using pin 3. These are the limitations for the IR sensor, so it will detect anything between the ranges between 20 and 27.5 centimeters. This is the case structure used for the pulse width modulation. The IR sensors control the servo motor, which is connected at the back of the robot, which is also connected to the back wheel, which moves left and right. So the way this works is if the positioning for the left IR sensor is true, the servo motor wheel moves right, and if it's false, it will move left. And the same goes for the right IR sensor, but the opposite direction. So if it's true, the wheels move to the left, and if it's false, the wheels move to the right, and the ranges of it are the same, between 20 and 27.5. The whole idea is as soon as the robot detects an object, it will go to the opposite direction and go around or move away from the object so it doesn't crash into it. This is the light ambient sensor. Down here, I think the original is 60 lumens. Yes, it's 60 lumens here. That's the power range, or power enough. So 60 lumens is the minimum requirement for the ambient light detector to detect in order for the robot to move. So running through it, this is for the chip to select the initiate conversation cycle. This reads a 16-bit value which goes into the SPI, moves through here and into the digital output, which moves the actual wheel. So here, as you can see, this line goes all the way back over here, which connects to the wheels itself. So as soon as the ambient light sensor detects light at 60 lumens, the robot moves. As soon as the light detector doesn't detect it anymore, the robot stops. This here controls the code itself. It stops immediately. This is for the iterations for 50 milliseconds, displaying the error when the error occurs, and reset to my real, all the pins. And there you have it, a self-moving robot or autonomous robot, and this is the code for it. Thank you very much.